So, I have like 3 or 4 packs of these jambalaya mixes in my cupboard, my pantry, whatever you want to call it. And somebody in my job was like, "Oh, you want this?" I'm like, "Okay, I'll take it, but I don't know what to do with it." Basically, they like, "Girl, just cook it up and throw you some protein in it, and it's the bomb diggity." So that's what we doing today. That's what we gonna have, this jambalaya mix. And if we like it, I'll probably make it again because I got about 2 more packs in there. So let's follow the directions on the packet. Simple enough. You just add 8 cups of water to a pot, bring it to a boil, pour the contents into the boiling water, stir for 1 minute, then cover and lower to simmer and let simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Oh yeah, this is gonna be easy. Let's do this. 8 cups of water in, stove on. Now we wait for it to start boiling. I really don't know why I never made this because it seems like an easy meal. Yeah, we gonna see what's in it. Let's see. It says red lentils, rice, dehydrated vegetables, carrot, water, onion, tomato, field run bell peppers, green and red primarily, celery and white cabbage, pink Himalayan salt. So I feel like I'm gonna add sausage to this, and then on the side I'll make some shrimp for me and babe because nephew don't eat it. So I'm thinking, do I cook the protein on the side and then when the thing is done, do I add it in? I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna do. So let me get my sausage up. Alright, my water boiling. Gonna add this whole bag into the water. Mixing it up like it say to do for 1 minute. Alright, I reduced it to low. Now it's in the pot simmering. I'm gonna let that simmer for say 25 minutes. Let's see what that do. Alright, my sausages is cut up. What's that? It look weird. Oh, it's just a piece of meat. Alright, I'm gonna sear these up while that's cooking. That has about 14 minutes left. So I'm gonna cook these up. There's about 6 minutes left on the timer, and this is what it looks like right now. Okay, it's starting to look like something. These are my sausages. Once these is done, I'm gonna turn the heat off. See that grease? Liquid gold. I might save this grease. We're gonna see. But after I cook these up, we'll sear these up. And this is done. I'm gonna mix it together. Add some spices. And call it a day. Okay, this is it after 25 minutes. So, I'm mixing it up. Oh, it's rice. Oh, okay. Alright. I see how it is. Okay, it say to add your protein and your spices. So I'm going to add in my sausage and then I'm going to season. So I tasted that. It's not bland at all. It got some flavor to it already. Okay. Alright, I mixed my sausage in. The only thing is it's kind of on the softer side. So maybe next time I make it, I'll cook it for a little less time. Maybe 20 minutes instead of 25. But this is with the meat mixed in. Now I'm going to add my seasoning. This is what I'm adding in. Alright, that's the jambalaya. The smoked sausage jambalaya. Smoked sausage and red lentil jambalaya. I taste tested it after I seasoned it a little more. It's not half bad. I'm going to make this again. I'm glad I got 3 more packs. Bon appetit.